Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick product review on the Anastasia Chocolate Dipped Brow Pomade. I've been having this forever and it does last you forever. You don't need a lot. It's thick, kind of like a waxy. I use an angle brush to put it on and just dip a little bit and then scrape off the edge, get it nice and clean, and then just come through and swipe on your brows. It's waterproof, so it stays on for all day. It gives you more definition than the powder, the dual powder. But I do like to put this on and then go and set it with this, just to give it like an extra kind of layer. But yeah, it gives you great definition in your brows. You can do little, what I like to do is take the tip of your brush and place it on your skin and then kind of push and then pull out. So you have like a little bit of a root there, like when you put it on. So it like kind of gives you more fullness. So yeah, I love this product.